So over here, you can see that I am in my web dashboard, which I got access to by typing in my.anydesk.com and then by entering out my credentials. So now if you were to go around over here onto address book, you can see that I can go ahead and select out my address book right here and create an entry. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and create, let me just go ahead and say sample, a sample entry right here, just like this, and over here you can add in your client ID. In my case, I'm just going to go around onto my desktop right here, and let's say I got this particular ID, so let's just go ahead and copy this, and around over here I'm simply going to go ahead and paste this out right here. So this is my client ID and alias right here. You can even go ahead and add in tags like, let's say, personal right here, just like this. Click on save right here, just like this, and you can see that I have this. So you can see that I got my address book right here. So you can also see like this is your address, and if I were to go around over here onto address book, then you will be able to see those address book right here as well. You can even go ahead and add in an entry right here, and then add in more address book right here as well. But if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and manage out your address book from over here, or you can even go to the address book section, add an entry, and add in address book right here by entering out your address and by adding out your name for the computer as well. For example, if I were to go around over here, there's another computer, so let's just go around and copy out the ID right here onto address book. I can add in the tag right here, and then you can see that this is what I have. So this is the address, so this is going to be friend right here. Click OK, and then that particular address will be added in. So in my case, it's already there right here, so it's a duplicate entry, so you don't see it right here. So that is how you can go ahead and manage out your address book by using the web as well, your web dashboard as you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.